Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Come on, dude. Like, seriously. What the f?
Dude.
This isn't an on-ramp.
No, that dude's going the wrong way down the highway.
Got a camera right here. See the camera? See the camera right here? See the camera? I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police, man. I got a camera. I'm calling the police, dude. Right now. As soon as I get...
Да, серьезно, блядь, пиздец, блядь, сука. Что за день долбоёба, блядь?
Oh shit.
What's the point of that? Drive like an asshole, get treated like an asshole. Person, $50. But you know what? Wendy's, I would know it's Wendy's without it. Jesus! Oh my God!
What was that? Pay attention.
Henderson 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Stephanie and Arroyo Grande.
Oh my god! Well, jeez! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, what is he doing?
He made it, wow. That's
That
pretty
is
impressive,
pretty
wow.
ridiculous.
He's had to... Be careful, don't go. Wouldn't encourage that.
That's like a monster truck level.
So the light is green, other traffic moves, I bump the horn, and then the person turns left, and I notice they're moving a little slower than the speed limit, and I want to, try to get to work as quickly as I can. In a safe manner, I try to merge over, and then this is the point where they get in front of me, and I try to merge again. They get back in front of me, and then I try one more time, and they get back in front of me again. And now they're straddling the middle line, and I'm just like, frustrated, concerned that I'm going to be late for work. I realize, oh my goodness, we are going to the same exact destination because they're turning in where I'm turning in. And then this is when it just gets very obvious at, how much this person is willing to behave in this manner. So, I decide, okay, well, let me just hang back. I'll pretend that I'm dropping off a child too. They've been in front of me the whole time, don't know that I am commuting to work. They don't know that I'm not dropping off a child. So once they get in the drop-off line, I merge past them and go ahead and pull into the employee parking lot. And so...
Hey guys. Why is the Civic braking?
Why do you want to ask?
Because he just slammed on his brakes for like no reason.
He looks like he's like shaking his head.
Why?
Like,
I'm almost gonna piss. He's like flooring you right now. That's fine.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.